Okay, question number 14 here. And it talks about a perfect inelastic collision. So we have one sphere that's moving along. It's going to collide with another one. And then they're going to stick together and travel. And what it says is that the velocity here is going to be 1/3 of the velocity of this. Okay, and it gives you a mass, and it wants to know what that mass is there. So I have M1, it's going to be 3.21. M2 is my unknown. V1, I have to figure out V2 is going to be 0 because it's sitting still. All right, and we have to, and V primed is 1/3 of V1. So we don't care what V1 and V primed is as long as V primed is 1/3 of V1. So let's make V1 3 and make V primed 1. That'll be easy. Okay, so then we do our equation. So we're going to have the inelastic M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M1 plus M2 times V primed. All right, so now we have that get MV2 is 0, so we can whole thing get crossed out there. So we have 3.21 times 3 is equal to 3.21 plus M2 times 1. 1 makes things easy, right? Because then basically that whole thing gets canceled away. All right. We got that. Okay, so now all we have to do is subtract 3.21 from both sides and get our answer. And I see my answer being 3.21 basically times 2, right? Because we have 3.21 times 3. I'll do the whole thing. 3.21 times 3 equals 9.63 minus 3.21, and so minus 3.21, and I get 6.42. All right, so that is my mass.